Hello. So good morning. Blessed morning. Here's my another rush order. In-order niya for Saturday sana, pero nag-advance yung visitor niya. Kaya naparush na din. She said, "At least you are pretty as me." Thank you for ordering. The smallest cake. 6x3. 6x3. Yes, 6x3. Bye! It's ready. Ready to pick up. So, tingnan nyo naman. Nakalagay siya sa 10 inches round cake board. Dahil nga, bukas pa sana bibili for para sa order na to sa Saturday, pero biglang nag-change schedule yung visitor. Bye bye.